Everyone keeps asking me the same thing. Why would a grown man spend his Christmas holiday building a brand new programming language?
Because the office is closed for 2 weeks, Guido, and most people would just rest.
Rest? The languages we use are cruel. A beginner writes 10 lines, gets a wall of errors, and decides programming is not for them. I keep wondering, what if code could be readable like plain English?
That is a beautiful thought. But can one man really fix that in a holiday?
I do not know. That is exactly why I want to try.
So what will you call it? Something serious, I hope. Something academic.
Python.
Python? Like the snake?
Like the comedy show, Monty Python. I want people to smile when they use it, not sweat.
Guido, the serious institutes will laugh at a language named after a comedy troupe.
Then let them laugh. If the code is clear, the name will forgive itself.
And these rules of yours? You are forcing indentation? You are making spacing part of the language?
Yes, because messy code hides bugs, and hidden bugs break people's confidence. If the shape of the code tells the truth about the code, everyone reads it the same way.
Some will call that dictatorship.
Some already do. They call me the benevolent dictator for life.
Does that title bother you?
Only the dictator part. I never wanted to rule anything. I only wanted to protect one idea. That simple is better than complicated.
Sir, may I interrupt? I am a student, and I have to say something. I almost quit computer science last year.
Almost? What stopped you?
Your language. Every other one made me feel stupid. Yours made me feel invited. I wrote my first working program in an afternoon, and I actually cried.
You cried over a program?
I cried because for the first time the machine understood me, instead of me begging to understand the machine.
Then the holiday was worth it.
Guido, thousands of people are building on your work now. Scientists, teachers, children. Why would you ever step away from leading it?
Because a language must outlive the person who wrote it. If Python only survives while I am watching it, then I built something fragile, not something free.
But it must hurt, letting go.
It does. It is like watching your child board a train alone. You hope you taught them enough.
And did you?
The community answered that, not me. They kept it kind. They kept it readable. They kept welcoming beginners the way I hoped they would.
Sir, what should I tell people who ask what you really made?
Tell them I did not invent a language. I removed the barriers in front of one.
And if they ask what your work teaches?
That the greatest thing you can build is not the most powerful tool. It is the one that makes the most people believe they are capable.